This is the reality of modern fishing. Far from shore, these factory ships deploy miles of net to meet the global demand for tuna.
Into the holds. Move, move. Bring the pumps online now. Get those blue. Move, move.
Keep an eye on the alignment right here. Okay, I see it. Make sure they are sent.
We did it. 5,000 pounds of bluefin right there. Watch the cable, keep it steady. We got too much weight here. Keep the tension on the line. I need help securing the head, hurry. Bring that pallet down slower on the left side. Copy that, watching the swing now.
Secure the locks on row 4. Locks engaged. Clear to lift.
Watch the crane, bring it down slow. Make sure those crates are secure before the forklift moves them. Back it up, easy now. Watch the overhang.
Clear on the left. Secure the straps tightly before transit.
All right, seal confirmed on the bluefin. Apply the export label now.
Roger that. Labels are on and secure.
We did it. 5,000 pounds of bluefin right there.
At dawn on the open ocean, modern industrial fishing vessels deploy massive nets as powerful tuna fish surge beneath the waves. In a clash of nature and machinery, giant tuna fish are hauled from the depths, frozen at peak freshness, and transported inland to an enormous canned tuna factory. Here, scale and precision rule. Tuna fish are thawed, washed, cut, cooked under pressure, cooled, cleaned, and inspected as human expertise and automated systems work together. Every movement is measured, every second controlled, transforming raw tuna fish into perfectly prepared meat.
Keep an eye on the alignment right here. Okay, I see it. Make sure they are centered.
Check the dorsal area on this one. Looks good now. Proceed. Bring that pallet right up to the line. Watch the height on the door. Okay, easy now.
Finally, I'm starving.
I know, let's go get some curry.
See you tomorrow, everyone.
The core temperature reading is optimal across the board.
Good. Send the data log to my console for review. Bring it up slowly, watch the weight. We need those tanks ready now.
Human oversight is critical at every stage of our tuna production, ensuring quality from catch to can. A world of flavor made easy. Canned tuna, your convenient and healthy meal solution everywhere.
The healthy, easy meal solution trusted around the world. Canned tuna, your global convenience food.
Inside sterile canning lines, tuna fish meat is graded by AI, packed into metal cans, sealed under vacuum, and sterilized to eliminate all bacteria. Each tuna fish can is tested, labeled, packed, stored, and shipped across the world, from global ports to supermarket shelves, and finally to family kitchens. A simple meal is revealed with the pull of a lid. Behind every tuna fish can lies a vast hidden system, linking ocean, industry, and people, repeating endlessly to feed the world.